Hello guys, it's very hot outside, so we're going to do something inside. And we're going to go watch the premiere of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. But you guys are not able to come inside since it's illegal. So you guys are going to have to wait. But we'll tell you if we recommend it for you, for us, and if I like it. Also remember that you can watch it in English, anybody who wants to see it here in Merida. Just go to Cinemex Uptown. See you later. Nico here. So, the movie finished. I did like it and I would recommend it. Goodbye guys. See you later.